So, my beloved brothers and sisters, this short time I will be using it to talk about this topic. Recently, I was just browsing Facebook and then I saw groups, our people, our Igbo beloved brothers and sisters, and the way they were battling each other just because of religious topic discussion. So, me to know be, and then I decided I will say something. First of all, I want to appreciate all my followers and those who watch once in a while. I appreciate you even for watching up till now. For you to stop by and click, I want to appreciate you from my heart. My name is Ekene, and in this channel, I want to promote our culture. Of course, where I am coming from, I am an African. So everything about Africans and all I think I can give, I will put it up here. So it's been a while now. I was not around. Thank you for coming back. Keep on subscribing or keep on watching, liking, and let your comments reflect so that I will know how to grow and do better, what you actually want. I just want to build community here. So recently, I was on Facebook, and this has been happening. You know that our people can they fight over religion. Me, I'm a Christian. I'm actually working in the church. So some people were like, we are the Catholics. Some people were like, we are the Pentecostals. Your own is not church. And those traditional guys are also doing their own. And all of a sudden, I began to think, who is now right? But I kind of discovered that some of us don't even know the difference between religion and tradition. And so recently, one guy saw me promoting Ogene music, and he was like, "Hey, I thought you are a Christian. Why are you promoting Ogene music?" And I was telling him that, look, Ogene song is not a religious aspect of life. It is our tradition. It is more of culture. Our Igbo culture has a lot in takes. We have what we are known for. And so a short moment I will spend here, I will do first introduction. I will introduce, though but I will say it in a different form. From Google definition, we will see here, it says culture is a body of knowledge that is acquired by people through years of being together in one society, which religion is the belief system directed towards the supreme deities. And yet, that this is something that many or may be accepted by each person or in culture. I'm sorry for the interruption. Now, what I want to bring out here is I say, yet this is something that many may not be accepted by each person in a culture. So it's also written here that many more might and may never accept each other's religion or way of worship. It has been like that. Even in olden days, where our people do worship their ancestral fathers and so on. Some with a lot of names. Enwere Adada, nwee ndị nna nna, nwee ndị Aro, nwee ndị Ezeogo, nwee ndị like mụnwa bụ m onye Enugu steeti. Enwere mmụọ dịka Odo, nwee Mgbonkwo. Ihe niile a bụ nwere their departments and their followers. And so the people here, mostly they don't castigate the other people in the other side. And nowadays, ndị ochie wetara anyị church. And then we are having now denominations and battling. The other day, one of my friends went to the village as they were to celebrate their traditional marriage. And there was an issue, struggle, because the woman was from Anglican, and the husband, no, the woman was from Catholic, and the husband was from Anglican. They were not getting together. There was a lot of struggle. The guy was calling me, and I was trying to encourage him. He wanted to pull off. I saw the situation crumbling on this lady. So why would we do ourselves this? It seems we kind of blame our forefathers that they did not know much, but we are taking it on now. We are taking it upon ourselves the more to bring segregation among ourselves. If there is any trouble, let it be good and bad. If we should fight anything, let it be fighting good versus bad, not religion versus religion, not denomination versus denomination. This is archaic. This is ignorant. And I just have to say my own. You just have to say your own. Let's push it forward. When you see two brothers nagging just because of religion, can you rebuke her? Rebuke them with all your strength so that they will be ashamed of themselves. Issues of religion shouldn't bring problem in our society. We have a lot to talk about. When I saw these things happening, it may be that you've not seen. Go to some of the groups, and instead of them having important issues to discuss, people are nagging and saying all sorts of things about religion. Leave your brother, let him do what seems right, what he want to do. I'm a Christian, even believer, a born again Christian. Nga no kata like this, gonna push. Even Christ did not teach us. He said, if you go to your neighbor's house and they did not receive you, they did not accept you, you go your way. When Jesus was sending them two by two, he sent them different places. He said, if you are leaving, dust your sandal. In other words, don't make trouble. Don't do anything negative. Don't create havoc. You go your way. Evangelism is not by force. Nowadays, Europeans, they don't even want it, though it may not be the best, but they don't do that. They don't do it. They don't disturb other people's peace because your religion. So nowadays, some people now opposite from Christianity now got into tradition. I will not call it, yes, it's tradition, but the way Hasemia is as if now we have known ourselves. Afuzegi as a Christian, they will kind of see you that you are a cake, you are nobody, you don't even know what you are doing, that the white man has, took your brain and so kind of a thing. But that is not true. Christianity is not even white man religion. Is we will call it is an invented name. Christianity is worldwide religion, but today is not the day for it. Next day, I can say one or two things that I know about the name of Christianity. Is invented. The first guys that they saw, that they gave them the name in Antioch. But we should remember, those who are Christians, who knows the story, should know that as an the guy called Antioch of Ethiopia. Eunuch of Ethiopia, I'm sorry to say. Eunuch of Ethiopia was the first guy who brought Christianity earlier before the white guys, came to Africa. So it has been so long, even before them themselves had their own conversion. The Europeans got their conversion in Acts of Apostle, but we got our conversion in the book of Matthew. It was Eunuch of Ethiopia who had the meeting, who had the encounter with Philip. And that was according to the scripture. We can say on and on, like me, I went to school of theology. And then we've read, even before that, there are people who have been following Christ followers even before Christ was born. The Christianity look-alike has been there in Ethiopia and so on. The Northern Africa, all Northern Africans were Christians even before the revolution of Christianity and all these stuffs. But ọ bụrụ ihe a ka anyị ga-ekwu today, ihe just now browse where you quote this one, bụ na this is life. Everybody has, you have your own tongue and so on to say. But I was disappointed when I saw beloved brothers and sisters bulleting themselves with their writing, you know, your type or if we sorry and all sort of things. It were not media. But what of the ones in the village that have been happening before now, stopping brother from marrying a sister? I was like, oh, it's long time. Our fathers, they are ignorant, but it's happening now the more. In fact, in the redeem, redeem. If you are not a faith, it's too much. I just need to be voicing it out. I will say it again and again. I believe if I say it today, say it tomorrow, one of the video will still reach few people. And if you are hearing me, please share the video and let someone out there get to understand that there is difference between culture and religion. Culture has a lot to do with whom we are, the way we behave, characteristics that binds us, what we are known for. That is culture. And culture is 100% positive. If I remove my culture, culture has a lot to do with our identity. But belief has a lot to do with your maturity, your understanding, what you are exposed to. That is religion. The way of belief, way of worship, it will always be different, even in the same denomination. If those in Catholic, some of them don't put on rosary, yeah, there's something that they chant with. Some of them don't even go with Bible, but some now become charismatic Catholics. Some have been to different layers and level. And that is how it is. It will never be the same. So we need to encourage each other to accept every one of us. Let's battle what we need to battle and not religious backbiting and fighting. And it's a distraction. Now, according to Mbosozo, thank you for staying with me and remain blessed. Bye.